Everybody, Tim Krieger, Team Secundy Remax Properties. Take a peek at this view behind me. I'm coming to you with this beautiful new listing, 6840 Eagle Mountain Road in the gorgeous gated community of Crystal Park in Manitou Springs, Colorado. Besides this view, come on and take a look with me. This beautiful home features artisan granite throughout the kitchen, stainless steel appliances, new plumbing throughout the entire home, large wood-burning fireplace on the main level to warmly heat the entire house, brand new septic system in 2019, electrical panel upgraded in 2019, and many, many more features like the metal roof, and the list goes on and on.